Hi guys! Today I wanted to do a little get ready with me video. This is a lot more dramatic than I was initially going for, but this is what happened. I chose a really colorful palette, so if you guys want to see how I did this, then keep watching. I have no idea what I'm doing today. I don't want to do something too basic and simple, but I also don't want to do something like too out there either. I'm going to start off with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. Just gonna start applying this all over my face. My skin typically tends to get dry too, so I really like this. Please ignore my washing machine. It is extremely loud. I need to get a new one, but washing machines are extremely expensive, as I'm sure you know, so just ignore that. Next, I'm going in with my Tarte Foundsealer. This is light medium sand. My skin is way too dark for this, but that's okay. I'm going to warm my skin up with bronzer, and then after this, I'm going to apply the Tarte Ultra Creamy Shape Tape Concealer. Also, if you've been wondering why my lips look bigger, it's because I got lip filler. 2 syringes so far in the last year and a half. I also got a lip flip, so maybe next time I go to get more filler, which probably won't be anytime soon, I'll take you guys with me. And then I'm gonna set my under eyes and probably just some of my T-zone with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Okay, then I'm going to take my Anastasia contour kit and I'm going to, oh my gosh, this is like really old, but I don't care because I still have some use out of it. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. This is in Sunbeam. I got this in like a boxy charm or something, but I'm gonna take it right there and right there. And honestly, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's so nice. My favorite highlighter at the moment, this is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and it's filthy because it just sits in my makeup bag. Sedona Lace FB01 brush. I used to do my highlighter after my blush, but I like to do it before the blush now because it blends in nicely and looks a little bit more natural than putting the highlight directly on top of the blush. So that's why I like to do that now. I have 2 blushes here that I can use, the NARS Sin and NARS Orgasm. Probably just mix them because I really like both of them. Go with Orgasm first. Okay, I'll go in with a little bit of Sin, which is more of like a berry shade. And we're pretty much done with the face. Okay, we're gonna do brows and eyes next. Okay, I'm taking the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. This is in the shade number 6 and filling in my brows with that. Okay, I finished my brows off camera because my washing machine was really loud and shaking the camera and the whole house. My house is over 100 years old, so yeah. I'm going out of my comfort zone today and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Norvina palette. I'm taking the P. Louise base in number 1. This one is so light. I wasn't sure, I only got 1. I should have gotten more, but I just ordered 1. It is so freaking light. So I put the primer on, blended it out with a beauty blender, so it's not as light or bright as it initially was. These are the shades in the Norvina palette. I'm sure everybody knows. This isn't new. It's new to me. I haven't used it very many times. I've used it like maybe once or twice. Okay, so I have no idea where I'm going with this today. Man, none of these shades are very natural, and I'm wearing red. We're gonna start with the lower lash line because I'm starting to crease there. We'll do orange. We'll stick with warm shades today. Oh my golly, I don't like the orange on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking C5, which is like a dark red. So I think for the transition shade, I'm gonna do yellow because that's pretty much the only shade that I feel like would be a good transition shade. So D4. Now I'm going back in with the orange, praying that this works. I don't know if that last part was recording or not because my camera sucks, but I'm taking C5, which is that red again, and I'm putting it on my lid all over and then blending it out. I finished my eyes off camera and it looks horrible. But since we're already here in this mess, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go crazy with the inner corner because why not? We're gonna do like a blue. I'm thinking B4 or B5. I think we'll start with B5 first because it's a little lighter. So if I decide I want darker, we can put the B4 down. Is that gonna even look good? It should look good. What am I doing? I look like a bird of some sort. What are you doing, Reese? Whoa, girlfriend. You wanna show them your makeup?
Yeah.
You wanna wash it off though?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I think I'm gonna also do D1, which is like this sparkly shade right here.
I like sparkle too.
I think you already put that one on. Oh, I kind of like that one. Okay, I think that's good. I'm not gonna mess with my eyes anymore. But you don't like to listen to your mama.
Yeah, I like to listen to my mama. I like it.
These are the iconic Light by House of Lashes. This is the NYX matte lip liner in Sandstorm. I'm not sure if I like this one, but all done. Yeah, so today obviously was not supposed to end up like this. I was not supposed to be this dramatic, but this is what happened. Thank you guys for watching my video and thank you for your support. I don't think that I have that many subscribers who watch my videos as much as they used to because I've been so inconsistent and I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm trying to get into the habit of filming videos and posting them weekly for you guys. So if you guys have any requests or anything specific that you want to see, sorry, there's a fluffy flying around, then let me know and I would be happy to start making a list of videos to film. Hope you guys enjoy your day and I hope you enjoyed this video.